Hey there, beautiful. In this episode, I attempt to dye my hair for the second time here on So in doing a video like this, I thought it was only natural that I did the appropriate environment. Now I know what you're thinking. Who watches my videos and then also watches Brad Mondo's videos? I actually made a chart to better illustrate the overlap between our audiences. Now, if you zoom in, you can see Megan. That's just my fiance, Megan. But anyhow, I figured it'd still be a really fun video to do, so I'm going to do it. So a couple weeks back, I decided I was going to dye my hair. I wanted kind of like a white, silvery, something in that family. Normally, I do a lot more research on this stuff, but it was the end of the semester, it was the end of my internship, things were super busy, and I was about to head up to Vermont, the middle of nowhere, no internet. So I got some overtoned silver pastel and thought it was gonna be great. Just before I left, I tried it out. Unfortunately, this particular one is only for platinum blondes. This isn't platinum blonde at all. So on my way up to Vermont, decided last second to pick up a box of blonde dye or bleach, or I don't know, it didn't work. Basically, my hair got really bronze, and then I put the overtone in it, and violet tones in the overtone product brought me back to my normal hair color. So much so that most of my family during Christmas had no idea that I even attempted to dye my hair. So it could have been a lot worse, but I'm back to civilization now. And so this time I did do my research. And so today we are going to attempt to give me very white, silvery hair, or it'll end up just being awful and I'll regret all of it. So if you couldn't tell already from all of this, I was heavily inspired by Brad Mondo. So if for some weird reason you're actually watching this, thank you. And for some weird reason you haven't heard of him, but somehow have heard of me, link to his channel in the description. Yeah, go watch it. I mean, after this. Definitely not now, but after. Okay. We got ourselves 30 volume developer, whole bunch of gloves, L'Oreal Quick Blue, some brushes in a bowl. One of Brad's favorites. Those not in the know, this is T18. It is a developer to get those bronzy tones out afterwards, but it's only meant for really light hair, which is what we're trying to get here today. Next, I have the level 20 developer that I'm going to add to that. And lastly, to be able to get the grace of the hair gods, I have Saint Brad here with us today to help us out. So now that I have everything I need, let's get started. Starting off with dirty hair, protect the scalp from the bleach. Then we're going to start with 2 ounces of the 30 level developer. It looks like we're going to be putting 1 full scoop. Now we're going to mix it up. Because my hair is very short, I don't really have to worry about doing the ends first and then the roots. So once it's all mixed up, I can just get right into it. Just gonna scoop it up with my hands. Now you do want to make sure that everything is very well coated. In my case, I'm gonna have plenty to be able to do that. This is also probably not the tutorial to be following if you have hair that's any longer than mine. And you probably still shouldn't follow this as a tutorial. Oh, but before I forget, got my bag here. Give it a little spritz of water. Put this on my head. This should help keep in some moisture. I look ridiculous.
1 eternity later.
Hello, it is me, off-brand M&M. Yeah, so it's still a little bronzy, but it is way closer to what I was looking for than I had last time I tried this. So yeah, screw box bleach stuff. I really hope no one's actually following this as a tutorial. But anyhow, yeah, no, it's pretty good. I am feeling crazy, and I'm going to try one more time, but only for 20 minutes this time, just because I need the top to be just a little bit lighter, and then we'll go for the T18. And I think that's going to be okay. So now I look like Kiefer Sutherland from Lost Boys, so that's something. I also look a little bit like the bad guy from Blade Runner, Roy Beatty? Oh, bad guy from Rocky. What I'm getting at here is I'm kind of looking like a bad guy. Mwah! Ha! 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 I don't think I have the laugh for it. Okay, it's time to tone. It worked. I did it. I still have my hair. I am very impressed with myself. Who knew it'd only take a little bit of research to actually not screw this one up? I did. I knew it. I just didn't do that before. But yeah, so thank you for watching. As a reminder, this is not really a tutorial. God, I hope you go to someone smarter than me on this one, especially if your hair is any longer than mine. Ugh. Again, if for some crazy reason Brad is actually watching this, hello and thank you. I would have definitely screwed this up if not for a lot of really good advice in his videos. So go check out his channel. It's very entertaining. Even if you don't give a damn about hair care stuff, his content's just really good. Well, if you stuck around this long, feel free to reach out in the comments below or on the website, kapowder-keg.com, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you know, all the things. I'm kapowder-keg on all of them. Very easy to find, but the links are down below as well. If you like this, subscribe, I guess. That'd be cool. But otherwise, until next time, try something new.